Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your Docusign Autoplace fields on templates. Follow me through to get a proper understanding of what you need to do. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Google Chrome browser and sign up or log in to Docusign. When you click on this first link, it will take you to the next page where you have to input the necessary documents or information that it requires for you to sign up. And having done that, it will take you to the next page where you have logged in. All right, so this is my Docusign dashboard, and I would want to set up my Docusign autoplace fields on templates. So the first thing I want to do is head over to templates up here, which is the top option at the top part of my dashboard. I'll click on that, and then it will take me to this part. So the next thing I'll do is to head over to my template gallery where I'll be working with. Click on that and then pick the particular template I want to work with. All right, say I want to work with offer letter. I'll click on that and it will come up. Autoplace field, also called anchor tags, allows you to automatically position fields in your Docusign account and templates by referencing specific words or symbols in your document. This saves you a lot of time, especially when you have recurring templates to work with. Alright, so this is the particular document that I'll be working with, and then these are the fields, the list of fields that I can work with to auto place on my document. So to do this, I would just have to click on the particular field I want to work with, and it will appear on the document where I want it to appear. Say I want to add signature. I'll go to the bottom of this template. All right, click here and then click on signature, and as you can see, I am auto placing this particular field on my document. All right, I can decide to head over to add up email here. So I will head over to contact information where email appears, click on it, and it has auto placed on my document. If I want to add checkboxes or drop down or text, whichever, on my document, I will just head over to the position I want it to appear. Right, so I want it to appear here, and then I'll add a text box or add a checkbox or decide to add a name depending on the kind of document I am creating. All right, so this is how you can set up Docusign autoplace fields on the particular template you want to work with, and you would have your documents ready to go. You can decide to save and close if you're satisfied with what you've done. This is simple and straightforward. I hope that you've been able to learn how to place your autoplace field on the particular template you're working with on Docusign. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until the next one, bye for now.